Guys, Cornerzoid here with Hooked on History. We are doing another hunt in the woods at a massive cellar hole. Must have been some huge barn or some sort of structure. There's no chimney, so it definitely wasn't a house, especially at this size, but I'm digging right on the outside. Dug a hole in between a bunch of iron with the AT Pro. About 4 inches deep. And I plopped out a little musket ball. Pretty cool. Always fun to find these. We'll see you on the next. Alright guys, Dad's calling me over. Said to film. Let's see. Gotta get up this hill. Oh God. Oh, whoa!
It's heavy. I don't know if it's
definitely a crotal bell.
If it's filled with dirt.
Look at it, it's kind of shiny.
Yeah, I know. It's... Wow, look at that. Whole lots of gilt on it. It's filled with dirt. That's
pretty cool. Wait, hold this one second.
Yep.
Yeah, that looks like a more modern one. Right, not modern, but... That doesn't look 1700.
No. This site looks like a barn.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Bang it against the shovel there, see if some dirt
No, that'll break it, hurt it. A lot of it's coming out. I feel the ringer.
There it is.
More dirt.
It's alright, it's good enough.
Yeah.
Ring a ding ding, as John would say. Alright.
Wait, hang on.
Doesn't look as old. I mean, I could be wrong. Maybe it is old.
Oh, that one's solid. That hole's not poked all the way through.
Yeah.
Wow, cool.
Yep. Might be older than we think.
Yeah.
Alright guys, see you on the next. Guys, I'm super psyched. I just flipped over a plug and bang!
That literally just fell out like that.
Shoe buckle.
Whoa. Oh my God, it's got flower design
Whoa,
on
gimme,
it.
gimme. I want to do this all on the camera. Whoa.
Another piece of another buckle.
Piece of a buckle. This is what we are after. Whoa, look at that, Joe.
Yeah, oh my God. That's gonna clean up so nice.
Wow, man. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm trying to clean it with one hand, but man, look at that thing. Look at the condition.
That's amazing.
Holy crap. There you go. That's 1700s right there. Oh man. Sorry guys. I'm excited. This is better than a coin. It's better than any large cent. Well, not any large cent, but it's better than most. That right there is a relic that we're looking for.
One of our nicest.
Yeah, you know what? I thought it was going to be a big piece of iron. You know, the Deus loves iron. But it was just a hair lower than what big iron would sound like. And it flipped over. I flipped over the plug and it just landed. Boom. We didn't even have to dig for it. That is beautiful. All right, guys. Awesome. See you on the next. Wow. All right, guys. We're back. I found the well and another shoe buckle. I don't know what it's got on it.
Oh, wow.
Here, Joe, you got no gloves on. Oh, yeah, there's a design on that baby, too.
A nice design.
Yep.
Wow.
Wow. 2 shoe buckles in one hunt. That's so cool.
Look at that.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Again, 1700s.
1700s.
That's, I think, even maybe earlier than the last one.
Yeah, maybe. I found the well. Guys, we are right off of the street. Cellar hole that I go by all the time. I figured, hey, let's just give it a shot. And man, is it paying off. Wow. Number 2. We'll see you on the next.
Doing a live dig. Dad's got a good signal.
It's like an 80. It's about 5 or 6 inches deep. Just dug the second shoe buckle about 10 feet away. It's a small target. Go ahead, Jay. You got a pinpointer?
Yeah.
Ooh. No, shovel. Really? Missed, huh? Certainly not as hopeful now.
No, little
button?
Oh no. Like a rivet.
Okay. Bummer. See you on the next.
Alright guys, Dad just got another signal. Pretty deep. And it's
It's a rosette.
old.
This was the mud in the middle. Look at the mud shaped to the back.
Yeah.
And then there was that piece holding the mud in, and here's a couple more pieces. The back fell off. Super lightweight.
Pretty cool looking.
Yeah, it's more than likely Colonial now.
No clue, really.
Right on the lip.
That's
It
cool.
was deep. That was like 10 inches deep.
We'll see you on the next.